Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can turn Windows features on or off on your Windows. So in some cases that you are fixing an issue on your Windows and turning the Windows or turning this Windows feature on or off can help you in solving that. So let's go quick into the process on how we can do that. So in the Windows search bar right here, type turn Windows features. So that will appear under the best match. Turn Windows features on or off. Now click on this. So these are all the features of my Windows. So as you can see, the one with a blue box or the blue box has a check mark, then that means that this features is enabled or has been turned on my Windows. Now, on how you can turn on a Windows feature, let's say, for example, if you want to turn on the TFTP client feature of your Windows, just simply check this box and click on OK. Now, this will search for required files, so you just have to wait for that. So once this process is done, that will mean that you have just turned on that feature that you have enabled on your Windows. So let's just wait for this. So once this is done, then you can or you have just turned on that Windows feature on your Windows. However, if you also want to turn it off, then again, you have to search for turn Windows features on or off on your Windows. So currently, this is still searching for the required files so that we cannot access into that window. But this is depending on your Windows too. So if you want to simply turn the Windows feature on, we have just turned it on, but if you're going to turn it off, then just simply uncheck this box. So again, if you want to turn off a Windows feature, just simply uncheck the box that corresponds to that Windows feature. So that's it. That is how you can turn the Windows features on or off on your Windows 11 or any Windows that you're using. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.